Hey guys, it's Kryssy K and I am doing a fall haul. I am showing you guys everything that I got from Ulta and what I got in my haul. So if you want to see what I got, keep watching. Oh my god, you guys, it's been forever since I've done a haul, but Ulta Fall Haul is happening now. It is going on through October 4th, so I went shopping this weekend. I grabbed a couple things. I'm going to share with you guys what I got. So this is the Kiss Soft Extend Starter Salon Flawless Nail Extension Kit. It's like an LED gel system. I'm excited to try this. It is more expensive than the typical Kiss nails, but I'm a press-on girly. This falls into that, but it's LED. So I can't wait to see what this is, because you're supposed to put your nail underneath it and cure it, and it's like more long wearing. So I'm excited to try this. And I'm just not into spending $125 to get my nails done. So it's just not something you're gonna see me do. The Morphe Conceal and Set is bae. I love this. This is great to like press your powder in. Instead of baking, you don't wanna bake, you wanna press. This brush right here is comparable to like my Danessa Myricks brush, and this brush right here is to brush off all the excess. And let me tell you, it's only $20, and I believe Morphe is on sale, so this might have been on sale. And my favorite Danessa Myricks brush, this one alone is more than $20. So this one works really well. It was so good that I had to go get another set. Okay, Real Techniques. I'm a Real Techniques girly. Can I even open this? Hold on. I guess it would make sense for it to be sealed and not be able to open. So the Real Techniques sponge is my favorite sponge outside of a beauty blender. Just a little orange sponge, works just as good. And it comes with a little case and a little soapy soap. I believe this is like 30% off right now. It's really cute. And you know how you like do your makeup, you do your sponge, you don't put it on the counter, you could put it in there, leave it open, let it dry. Perfect. Derma E, they're on the Glow Set. I have been using Derma E for years. I love them. They are a clean beauty brand. This set has the vitamin C face glow oil, which is one of my dailies, the vitamin C serum, which is also one of my dailies, and the Microdermabrasion Scrub. These are all travel size, and it has a wristband. What do I need a wristband for? The whole time I thought it was a headband. One of my favorite brands. And then I got the vitamin C brightening under eye gels because y'all, like, I use them. No lie, I have these in the refrigerator. And my favorite thing about this right here is that like they're travel size. So if like in the morning I'm on the go, I'm tired, throw them in the fridge, put it on as I'm going without having to take the whole container. And I travel a lot, so this is perfect for the bag and on the go, because even when you're not at home, skincare is very necessary. Also, I tried their 2-in-1 Luminous primer because it's vitamin C, so it's brightening, and you know, we could use a little primer. I like a lot of glow, but because I glow a lot, I like to wear a primer to make everything stick and mesh together. Now this is new for me. This is their vitamin C foaming oil and cleanser. I cannot wait to try this. Like I said, I'm a Derma E girl, and I believe also that Derma E is 30% off during the sale. Like I said, I'm a press-on girly, glamnetic. These are super cute. And their glue is like the best glue that you can get like on the market. Like, it's long lasting. It's only like, it's under $10, but the glue is bae. And like there's a travel one here. I'll try to hold on to these longer than the ones that come with most nails because they don't hold on. I do have another glue that I use, and I will show you my glamnetic glue, but it had been through the wire, the storm, and all of that. So I ain't gonna do my glue like that. But no, these nails are bae. They're long lasting, and if you take care of them, you can reuse them if you don't lose them and if you glue them on well. One of my favorites. These were also, I want to say, 30% off. I love me a good body shimmer. I've always loved this Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Oil, but they have the illuminating one. Give it a little shake, and I'm into like a shimmer. Like, I love a good body shimmer, like a good subtle shimmer, and it smells good. Bae. So that's why I got this. So Vaseline has Illuminate Me Body Butter, and currently I've been using their Sunlit Glow Glaze and Glisten Oil. So I feel like this combination together is gonna be exactly what I need. So yeah, I saw that, haven't tried it, gonna try it out. Have you guys tried it? If you have, let me know. Okay, so Tabitha Brown, you know, Donna's Recipe is her brand. These are biotin hair gummies, and I wanted to try them because I got my little wig situation on. I was a little lazy when I took off one of my last wigs, and I murdered my edges. And I started using this, the strength hair oil from this brand, and it literally grew my edges back like in 4 weeks. So I mess with this like real hard. So I'm curious to try these biotin gummies to see how they do with my hair. If y'all tried these, if you like them, let me know. And the last thing I have is the Morphe Mixed Signals. This is like an eye primer that you can wear alone or just as a base for the shimmer, and then like the glitter shimmer at the top. It is so pretty. I have used it before. It's literally one of my favorites. This was also 30% off. So yeah, and you know what's funny is that I didn't even know it was fall haul, and I went there for some skincare and I got more than what I needed. So that concludes my fall haul, I guess. So thank you guys for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Comment below if you guys have tried any of these items, or if you have anything that I need to know about the items. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And until then, I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah!